Power in this world is influence. Influence is achieved by maximizing the efficiency, safety, and control of conversational authority. Productive conversation drives value through individual relationships to collectively deliver organizational success. However, scaling conversational authority to meet organizational agenda is costly, messy, and dynamically prohibitive. Vocodia has leveraged the power of artificial intelligence to develop a proprietary conversational AI software that provides unlimited scale of unique, personalized conversations with humans. Vocodia AI sales agents are called DISA, or Digital Intelligent Sales Agents. Each DISA individually calls, presents, closes, informs, listens, intelligently responds, and reports results and sentiment in real time. Digitizing the human function of influential conversations with Vocodia AI liberates organizations to achieve unlimited sell-side economic scale and control with pinpoint accuracy and timing to enjoy full market dominance in a single day, regardless if the market is local or global. Corporate and governmental organizations can rapidly deploy influential campaigns effecting unlimited conversations with people relevant to their agenda, bringing to life important messaging and intelligence retrieval via automated dynamic conversations, which lead and influence people to awareness, instruction, purchase, understanding, support, comfort, and safety, all in a compliance-controlled, cost-effective, highly efficient, and personalized relationship-driven conversation. Vocodia AI is shifting information flows and volumes to transform market relationships in scale, scope, and model. Deployed Vocodia AI sales agents provide instant realization of multiples in sales and customer service efficiencies that dramatically transform cash flow and balance sheets and achieve new paradigms of economic control and accuracy. The low costs of AI sales agents, coupled with increased efficiency and speed to market, creates extreme competition gaps between adapters and non-adapters. However, Vocodia's platform is openly available on equal terms, with competitive edge determined by speed to adaptation, case use, target data, and quantity of digital intelligence sales agents deployed. If you would like to continue this conversation to determine how Vocodia can empower your organization, please fill out the information below and schedule a demonstration to have your own discussion with one of our Vocodia AI sales reps. Thank you and talk to you soon.